Your kidneys silently work 24/7, filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping your blood clean. But here's the truth: 1 in 7 adults have kidney problems and don't even know it. The good news? Just by eating these science-proven superfoods, you can protect and even strengthen your kidneys naturally. Your kidneys act as your body's natural detox machine. They filter nearly 200 quarts of blood every day, removing waste and extra water. But modern diets, full of sodium, sugar, and processed food, overwork them. When kidneys get tired, toxins stay longer in your body, leading to fatigue, swelling, and high blood pressure. Let's start with blueberries, small but mighty. Packed with anthologists, these antioxidants protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. A Harvard study found that people who ate blueberries regularly had better kidney filtration rates and lower inflammation markers. Second, broccoli, a true detox hero. Rich in sulfonamides and vitamin C, broccoli supports your liver and kidneys together. Studies from Johns Hopkins University show it helps neutralize harmful toxins before they reach your kidneys. Third, avocado. Yes, the creamy fruit that's packed with potassium. Potassium helps balance sodium, a key factor in preventing kidney strain. But moderation is key. People with existing kidney disease should consult their doctor first, since excess potassium can be risky. Finally, apples. The soluble fiber in apples, called pectin, helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar, reducing pressure on the kidneys. Plus, they're naturally hydrating and easy to digest. Bonus tip: stay hydrated. Water helps your kidneys flush waste more efficiently. Aim for 2 to 2.5 liters per day unless advised otherwise by your doctor. Remember, small, consistent choices make a huge difference. Eat smart, stay hydrated, and your kidneys will thank you for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.